Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView without a subscription. You can still access powerful charting tools and real-time market data for many assets. We'll cover how to effectively use the free version to analyze trends and make informed decisions. This guide will help you navigate the platform's features and maximize your trading insights without any cost. The free version of TradingView offers robust features, allowing you to have one chart per browser tab for focused analysis. You can apply up to 3 indicators at once, which is sufficient for many basic strategies. Additionally, you can save one chart layout, ensuring your preferred setup is always ready. These core functionalities provide a solid foundation for your technical analysis. To get the most out of your free TradingView account, consider using multiple browser tabs to view different charts simultaneously. If you hit the indicator limit, simply refresh your browser to reset it, allowing you to apply new indicators. Also, explore the vast library of community scripts. Many offer advanced analysis tools that can enhance your trading strategy without extra cost. For more advanced usage, create detailed watch lists to keep a close eye on your preferred assets and set price alerts to notify you of significant market movements. These tools are invaluable for staying informed without constant screen time. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for meal prep, along with other great deals. They can really simplify your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.